Today I will show you the print copy scan feature of Canon G3780 printer. First I will show you the print feature. To print on a MacBook, first you will come on to the PDF which you want to print. Then you will choose how many pages you want to print. Like I want to print only the first 2 pages. So to print you will press Command, Option and P. Then one print dialog will appear. First, you have to select your printer. Like my printer is Canon G3780 series, so I will select this printer. Then I will choose the number of copies which I want to print. And then I want to print pages from 1 to 2. And then you can choose your preference if you want to print it color or black and white. I will print in black and white. And double-sided and any setting you want to view, you can view. Now I will click print. Now it is printing. Look, this is the print quality of the printer in black and white. Now, if you want to print in the devices which have Canon app installed, you can simply click Document Print in Canon app and select your document, and you can click Photo Print if you want to print a photo and then select your photo. Now, I will show you the copy feature. First of all, the page which you want to copy, you will place over here. This page is a A4 page, so I will align it according to the A4 marks over here. Now I will close it and choose copy button over here. I'll click OK. Then you have options to select if you want to print in black or color. I want to print in color, so I will click color button. This is the photocopy quality and this is the original quality. Now I will show you the scan feature. The page which you want to scan, you will put over here. Then in the device which has Canon Print app installed, you will open that app and then you will click this scan. Then you will choose your settings. I want original type document, color mode color and original size A4. So I will click scan. Now it is scanning. This is the scanned page. I do not want to scan other pages, so I will click exit. So this is the scan result you can see. If you want to export this result to your device, you can click this button and then you can choose your preferred option. If you have any doubts about this printer, please ask me in the comments. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.